Hello and welcome! While I go over my goals for 2021, I decided to show you my first purchases for the year. Everything I purchased was done on Silver Gold Bull. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to check them out. I've yet to find a better online dealer in Canada. They are also in the US, so I placed both links for you. I have several goals in 2021, both for my stack, my collection, and my channel. The first one of them is to add coins to my collection. Last year I completed the Queen's Beast 2-ounce silver bullion series, and I had a nice custom handmade box for it. I also completed the Canadian Predator series. This year I would like to complete my 1976 Olympics silver coin series. Out of the 28 coins, I am only missing 4. I just started the Austrian Kookaburra series, so I want to add more of the coins. 2 of them were added during this purchase. I'm also thinking about starting collecting the Australian Koala series. Another Australian series I would like to start collecting would be the Swan coins. I believe the Pertment makes some of the most beautiful coins in the world, and those 3 series are very interesting because every year they have a different design on each of the coins, so they are very collectible because of it. And finally, I'm looking forward to purchasing the follow-up coins for the Creatures of the North series. The Kraken was released last year, but the Royal Canadian Mint never released the second coin. I really hope it will come out this year. I do not plan on stacking silver this year, but this could change depending on what the market does. This purchase was made when the silver short squeeze was announced. It's a very rare unplanned purchase for me. I usually plan all of my purchases in advance. But in this case, I thought it was important to be part of the movement. So this maple leaf is the 2021. I decided to collect all of the years for the maple leaf, so this will go into my collection. So this lion coin is from Niue or Niue, or I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the country, but I think it's Niue, even though it's written Niue. Anyway, so so this is one of the countries that have pretty nice coins as well. This is probably my 5th one for them or something like that. All of these buffaloes, basically what I do is when I purchase from Silver Gold Bull, you need to make purchases of $300 or more for free shipping in Canada. So once I've selected the coins that I really want, I just fill up the rest of the order up to $300 with random coins that they select for me. This is some of the cheapest silver available from that company. And they decided this time around to send me buffaloes. For stacking, my main objective will be to add gold this year. Depending on availability, 10-ounce coins will be my main focus. There is also a chance that I will add quarter-ounce coins. All will depend on availability and prices. The kangaroo completes my bullion collection, so I was missing only that one for all of the regular bullions for all of the main countries. Finally, if silver prices start moving up, I plan to start converting silver into platinum and gold when the silver to gold ratio hits 50:1, or if silver goes over $50 per ounce. For the channel, I will keep making stacking journey videos. I feel those are inspirational to new stackers, and it can also give ideas to experienced stackers on nice items to purchase. I want to keep improving the quality of the videos I make. So if this confinement can finally end, I want to shoot more footage outdoor at places of interest for stackers and collectors. So this is a letter I received from Mayoshi Bullion. Really curious to see what she sent me because I never talked to her before. Looks like it's a sticker. All right, let's have a look. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, so greetings Silverholic. Would love to trade channel stickers for my sticker board. Well, Mayoshi, I'm gonna send you my sticker for sure. Let's have a look at yours. Yeah, this is a very nice sticker. So basically it's a precious metal fairy. Really, really nice. Okay, so yes, expect some mail from me then. If you guys want to trade stickers, just send me a letter with yours and I will return the favor. You can find my mailing address on the About page on the channel. So this is the second purchase I made from Silver Gold Bull. This one I purchased about a week before the one I just showed you. This is basically my birthday gift. So my birthday was coming up and I decided to gift myself something. I also want to do more collaboration videos. The ones I made in the past were hit and miss, but some of them seems to be really appreciated. If the channel can finally get monetized, I still want to do giveaways. This is taking a bit longer than I expected. While I have reached the minimum subscriber count of 1,000, the watch hours are only half of what I need. Until the channel is monetized, I don't want to spend any more on gifts. Last year I spent over $500 on giveaways, and I feel that makes no sense while the channel is not generating any revenues. If you want to help with this, watch older videos that you have not seen yet, and share them to people you feel might enjoy the content. I really want to keep making videos for you, and I'm trying really hard to improve the content's quality. Alright, so yeah, the tubes are empty. Those are empty tubes for Krugerrands, rounds, and I believe maple leaves, the sizes I selected. Silver Gold Bull has them at very low rates. They usually sell them in between 50 cents to $1.25, I believe, so pretty affordable. And they have most of the sizes that are common. Alright, so the first one here is the 2021 Britannia. This is a coin I was really looking forward to purchasing. They have a bunch of new security features and looks pretty good. The only issue with it is that it milk spots a lot. Most of the videos I've seen on them already had milk spots, so I'm gonna put it in the capsule right away so to try to avoid that. The other two coins are from my collection as well, and the reason I placed the order is this one here. Let's just get it out of the bag. So this is a 10th ounce from the Pertment. It's 10th ounce of gold. And it's the Battle of the Coral Sea. The funny thing about this coin is that the Battle of the Coral Sea was the first carrier-on-carrier engagement that was done beyond visual range. And they chose to put a destroyer on the coin instead of a carrier. I'm not too sure why. Maybe they felt it wouldn't fit, but still, it's still a beautiful coin. Like all of the other Pertment products, this coin is beautiful. And those two are the Kookaburras. As I was saying, I decided to start collecting them. So this is a new one, the one for 2021. So this is the 2020. So they also had that one in stock. And so this one is the commemorative coin as well. So it's been 30 years now that they started that series. I'm sure some of the coins will be really hard to get and probably very expensive, so I will keep them for last. And in this bag I have a replacement capsule for one of my Queen's Beast coins. I was at a friend's place and he dropped the coin and the capsule broke, so So I had to get a replacement. I ordered some from China, but I saw that Silver Gold Bull had them in stock, so I ordered one from them as well. These 2-ounce capsules are pretty expensive. That one cost me almost $4. From China, it's less expensive, but the thing is, you're not sure it's going to be the right one when you order. Every time I order on AliExpress or on Wish for capsules, sometimes they send me what I ask for, and sometimes they don't. So it's a risk. But the price of the capsules are much lower, so you know, it's in the end it's not so bad because you can still use the capsule for other things. Here we have the Lady Bullion channel round. I was finally able to win one. Last year I tried all year to get the 2020, and I was never picked by the wheel. The wheel really doesn't like me, but this year, first out of the gate, I won it. So I'm really stoked about it. Those coins are amazing if you want to have a look at the details here. So now I'm on a quest to get the 2021. So if anyone wants to trade for something, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please ping the like button so YouTube can hear you. Also, only 1/3 of the people watching my videos are subscribed. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe so you can be informed when a new video is available. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.